back to Amy's Earth. Today I am going to be making some gingerbread in my gingerbread mould. I have melted my wax in here already with the colour. Oh, I'm not going to use the jug because the jug is a great big lumping thing. So I'm going to transfer it into a plastic cup because it's easier to handle, she says, hoping she's now not going to spill it all over the table. These are going to be embeds that are going to be put in the shot glasses that I'd like to use. The shot glasses are so cute because they make such a great gift for somebody, do you know? They're not overly huge. They can, like so, I'll show you the shot glass in case you didn't see it. There you go. Alright, so in we go with the wax, and I have used a mica to make this colour. I love this mica, it's very swirly and lovely, and I've also let the temperature drop really low so these set quite quickly. So you may notice the add a bit more into you. You may notice the candy canes in the middle. I have tried to do the candy canes, I'll be honest. They're a pain. They're really, really such a pain to do. Now, that's me all filled up. So, that's all my little wax embeds done. A few of them are different colours. Don't want to bring you too close, otherwise I'll go all wonky, blurry, whatever. I made 2 lots, so there are slightly different shades. So the plan is, we have our little shot glass here, already put in with the wick and the glue, trying to get as central as possible. Quite difficult, I have to say, with these glasses. And without mine, ha 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 ha. The plan is to fill the jar and then place the wee gingerbread man in, like so. So I'll show you the ones I did last year. They're on a much larger scale. So that's my little gingerbread man bathing in his glass of milk. That was kind of the idea. So I'm going to do it on a smaller scale. Hope to God they fit. And I'm also going to do it with the little buckets too. I just thought, you know, they make nice little stocking fillers. But, so yeah, that, very much like the shot glasses, this might be easier because a bit more room is going to sit in like so. So let's get melting wax then. Okay, so I have everything lined up here, and now I'm going to move it all because I wanted to show you our melted wax. There you go. So I'm going to my oils into my trusty pancake batter dispenser. Yes, I know, but it's pretty cool. So in we go. I'm just doing 6 for now because I haven't yet decided whether I want to do a larger container. So, let's go, shall we? I'm going to try and line everybody back up again so you can see what I'm doing. Looks about right. Okay. And off we go. Okay, straight in. Whoa, that was pretty full. And I don't want it full because I have to put a gingerbread in. So I am going to, see, we all make mistakes. I'm not worried about that because I can clean the wax off later. Good thing about wax, so much easier to work with than soap, to be fair. Right, so I need to be careful because as I was bolting that in, I forgot that I need to leave room for my little gingerbread man, who is going to take up some room and thus push the wax up. And whereas there isn't a problem in the larger containers, it's definitely going to be an issue in these containers. Are you still with me? Yes, you are. Again, don't want to fill it up too much. And this is kind of an experiment for me, to be fair, because I haven't done the gingerbread man in such tiny jars before, Oh no! So close and yet so far away. Alright, let me just add the tiniest bit because I don't want to put more in here than I need. Smidge. Yes, that's a technical term. There you are. About as good as I'm gonna get. See, the problem with working from the top down is you can't really see how far you're up a bit. Okay. The great thing about this little tool is you do have a lot of control with how much comes out of the spout. So that's great, isn't it? Because I know that the gingerbread men do have, you know, that you're going to have volume dispersion. Sounded very scientific, didn't it? But I don't think I'm going to have that much that, you know, if I left them too small. We'll see. Okay, so I've just got my first gingerbread man in, but I think I have nearly left it too late. The problem with having the gingerbread man in means I won't be able to flatten the surface, heat the surface if you like. So they're going to be a little bit humpty bumpety messy, but you know what? It's too late now. Oh, do you know what I should have done? I should have heated them up. Yeah, do you know what? I'm going to go with the buckets and see if I can salvage something here, because the buckets I might get away with. Oh yay, happy days. The buckets I'm going to get away with. I'm going to take him out real quick. Those two, shall I? See, this is called living and learning. I was in two minds as to what was going to be alright and what was going to not be alright, and now I left them too long. So next time I'm going to have to just, I'm going to heat these guys up a bit with the heat gun, make them a little bit more fluid again, have a lot of cleanup to do when I'm finished because all the rooms will be a mess. Drop my thermometer on the floor, and I want all these guys behind the bucket. I actually think he's going to sink. Yes, he's going to sink. Oh, it's like one extreme to another. He is okay, I think, and this guy might be okay too. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, okay. I'll be back when I have reheated those guys up. Well, we kind of jumped a step. As Hubster needed the camera to do his videos for his YouTube channel, which is Whitebeard's Kitchen, by the way, if you are interested in home cooking and all sorts of, he does Asian food and Indian food and everything in the middle and in between. He also does home cooking, Northern Irish home cooking, you know, bacon and lentil soup was the last one he did. So, because he had the camera, I couldn't show you the melting process of the little shot glasses, but as you can see, I remelted them and managed to get my little gingerbread man, that needs a wee bit of a clean up, my little gingerbread man back in where they belonged. I kind of have liked the way these guys have come out because it makes them look like they're in a bath of milk. So at first I was like, oh, it's turned out a bit, you know, not smooth and not the way I wanted it. But kind of like it. It's like a bubble bath. So there we have it. Some little buckets and shot glasses for the markets, Christmas market, some cobbit sales, and I think what I might do is maybe put them up on eBay. So if I do that, I'll put the link in the description box below. Haven't quite decided yet. Yes, there you are. So thanks for watching, and yeah, see you next time. Bye for now.